What's up mga kabit? Kamusta kayo guys? Ito i-update ko lang kayo kasi meron mga pa-tournament itong Summoner's War. Before nakapag-content ako ng Summoner's War kaya lang ito, Summoner's War Lost Centuria. Kaya kung gusto mo mag-participate sa mga event na to, magkaroon ka ng mga rewards, well, samahan mo ako, silipin natin ito. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Marvin, Favis again, and welcome back sa channel ko. So, silipin lang natin to guys, itong Summoner's War Lost Centuria. By the way, pwede mo to i-download sa App Store and pwede mo rin ito i-download sa Google Play if meron ka. So, magandang laro to and nalaro ko na rin to before. Kung gusto mo nga makita, i-try mo. Free to play naman ito guys. Pero sa ngayon guys, panoorin natin yung trailer nitong Summoner's War Lost Centuria.
Even in the peaceful Afrana kingdom, the war clouds were looming. When the king was killed, the kingdom was split, and the war between the lords began across the entire continent. Among them, Summoner Kadugan put the continent in terror while subduing other lords with powerful monsters.
Ganda nito, nilaro mo sa cellphone. Story pa lang, maganda din. Check nyo guys. Try nyo lang. Graphics pa lang, isipan mabuti. Dota 2 rin ang datingan. Pagka Final Fantasy rin, no? Sino naglaro dito ng Final Fantasy? Di ba yun? Nag-halo-halo na. Dota, Final Fantasy. Stick yung trailer, no? Pinag-isipan talaga. So ito guys, ipe-play ko naman ngayon guys yung ecosystem nila. Summoner's War Lost Centuria blockchain ecosystem.
This is Gigi, and today I'll be walking you through how we'll take Lost Centuria's fast-paced gameplay with the easy controls of the C2x ecosystem to seamlessly integrate it into the blockchain.
Lost
But
Centuria.
first, since launch, we've seen many enjoy the real-time
So ito yung trailer kanina.
strategic gameplay of Summoner's War Lost Centuria, a game based on the Summoner's War IP, which over 100 million players have experienced.
Dami na
Whether
rin.
it's summoning iconic monsters from the Summoner's War IP or utilizing powerful summoner spells, players have been relying on fast-paced decision-making to claim victory in an 8v8 deathmatch.
Nice.
So thank you, Summoners, for all of your support. As part of our first anniversary update, we're bringing Summoner's War Lost Centuria to the blockchain. And we're sure you're wondering how it's all gonna work. So let's go take a look.
Ayan. C2x.
First, a new progression
By the way,
system
guys,
called
ito yung logo.
Ancient
Ewan ko
Runes
nakikita
added
nyo.
In addition to the implementation of the blockchain.
Summoner's War Lost Centuria.
Ancient runes play a key role in monster progression, and they help diversify monster progression too. So, how are these ancient runes obtained? Well, you can craft ancient crystals through new in-game currencies called Magic Power Dust and Ancient Crystals. Magic Power Dust and Ancient Crystals can be obtained by completing quests or collecting in-game content rewards.
Okay.
Specifically, Magic Power Dust can be obtained through daily
Power
quests
Dust.
and World Tournament rewards.
So,
On
ito
the
yung
other
may
hand,
encash
Ancient
mo.
Crystals can be obtained through season tally
Magagamit
rewards
mo sa
and
laro.
specific ranking World Tournament rewards. Both Magic Power Dust and Ancient Crystals can also be exchanged with tokens.
So ito yung tokens
Magic Power
guys.
Dust can be exchanged for LCT tokens,
LCT?
whereas Ancient Crystals can be exchanged for C2x tokens.
Okay.
The LCT token is a
So, kumbaga
unique
sa Axie,
digital
SLP,
currency for Lost Centuria, which can be
AXS
used
yan.
in game. It can also be exchanged for C2x tokens at the C2x station. The C2x token is a unique digital currency required to operate the blockchain ecosystem of
Mas
C2x.
maganda guys kung tatry nyo laro and
C2x
download nyo na
tokens
sa
can be
Android or sa
exchanged
App
with
Store.
in-game currencies at the C2x.
Free to play naman siya pero syempre
That
pag
means
gumastos ka
magic
dito,
power
mas
dust and
medyo
ancient crystals will be
lalakas
the
ka.
core currencies of the blockchain system.
Okay.
The C2x station will be released later, so stay tuned for that. Well, that's about it for the Lost Centuria blockchain ecosystem.
Ayun.
Make sure you check out the official Lost Centuria
Subukan natin
Discord
laruin to,
and
guys,
Twitter
later.
for the
Ito,
latest
downloading
news
na nga
and
ako eh.
updates
Medyo
regarding
matagal
the
lang.
in-game currencies. Join the community to find more info about Lost Centuria and get a chance to obtain magic power dust and ancient crystals.
Okay.
Be sure to check out the video description below for our
Ayan.
Discord, Twitter,
Pwede nyo
and official
silipin guys
links.
yung YouTube
Thanks
account
for
nila.
watching, Summoners, and we'll
Para
see you in
mapanood
Lost
nyo.
Centuria.
Solid. So guys, ito yung kanilang YouTube account, Summoners War Lost Centuria. So ayan, Blockchain System Implementation Special C2x Token Giveaway. So ang reason bakit tayo nag-content is i-update ko kayo sa mga pa-giveaway nila and pa-event nila. Ayan o, special event. So you can sync your wallet, play Lost Centuria for guaranteed rewards. So ayan, pag may mga rewards, alam mo naman mabilis tayo dyan para kayo ang nauuna magkaroon ng reward. And I know, kakabakasyon mo lang pero syempre kailangan malaman mo to. Ayan o, the event details and the winner's announcement will be notified in Discord. So, I suggest guys, pasok kayo sa Discord nila. Maganda tong laro, no? Pwede mo siyang subukan sa phone mo, download mo lang. Tingnan mo kung mag-e-enjoy ka. Ganoon naman eh. So, kung nag-e-enjoy ka sa laro, play to earn yan o hindi, no? Nakakatuwa siyang laruin. Bonus na lang na may mga rewards sila. Bonus na lang din na nag-e-enjoy ka sa laro at may income siya. So, yan. 5-day check-in event. So, may period yan guys ha. April 10 to April 27. Alright? So, meron naman dito, Rich Gold Grade. Okay? April 10 to April 27. Malalaman nyo naman yan guys. Ito yung mga directions nila. Medyo i-zoom natin para mabasa nyo kung cellphone yung ginagamit nyo ngayon. So, if you want to know more, ayan o, click lang yung more info. Sa mga nagtatanong ko ano yung website, it's summonerswar.com and Lost Centuria. I will put the link on the description para hindi ka na mahirapan. Ayan. And guys, gabi na naman ako ngayon nagsushoot kaya tingnan nyo, pulang-pula na naman ang aking skin. Ayan, Discord event. Meron din silang Discord event. Additional C2x token giveaways. Ayan. Go to their Discord. Ayan, community. So, Discord invitation event. Ang period naman ito, April 10 din to 27. Kaya, yan. Siguro ito, mapopost ko to. Mga 90 na or 20. So, invite 5 friends in Discord and receive 30 C2x token. Yun lang ang gagawin mo, di ba? Through a draw. Now, Discord channel promotion event. Ayan din. Promote your Discord channel via social media. And makaka-receive ka naman ng 50 C2x token through a draw. And may bonus event din sila. So, ito guys, mga libre na to. Binibigay ko na sa inyo yung mga information. And it's up to you kung gusto nyo o hindi. Walang pilitan yan. Hindi ko to pinopromote or what, no? Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo, baka sakali na magkaroon kayo ng mga bonuses and rewards. 10 ulit to 27, participate in all the events on this page and receive 50 C2x tokens through a draw. Plus, okay, meron pa ha. But wait, there's more ha. Additional C2x token equal to your summoner's level in Lost Centuria. Ayan. So, mabilis ang update lang naman ito. The event details and winners announcements will be notified in Discord. Ayan. So, mga hindi nakakalam, sige, i-play natin ito. Habaan, 5
Greetings,
minutes
Summoners.
ito.
This is Gigi. In the last video, we
Pwede
talked
nitong
about the
panoodin, guys,
blockchain
ha?
system update for Summoners
Ayan no, come to us sila. Come to us yung pinaka parang
for
nag-handle sa
Lost
kanila
Centuria.
guys.
And as of today, the blockchain system has been updated to Lost Centuria. That's why
Ayan.
one of the corresponding runes slot.
So forward ko lang guys
Ancient
para
runes
may
you
idea
have
kayo.
crafted can be replaced
You can
with
watch
ancient
this video
crystals,
if you
and
want,
some
guys, para
properties of a
masilip
higher
ninyo.
grade can be acquired. Magic powered
O diba,
C2x
dito pa lang
tokens
sa
are
game to
encrypted,
makikita nyo na kung
and sync.
legit or hindi. But anyway, visit our official channels. Yan nga, punta na lang kayo sa Discord at Twitter. Mabilis lang to. Gusto ko lang kayo ma-inform. No? Hindi ko na masyado ipapa-edit pa to. By the way, ayan, you can download it App Store and Google Play. Ito, copyright Come to Us Corp. All rights reserved. So, ito yan guys, no? Sila ay backed up by Come to Us. So, ito yung kanilang link. Ilalagay ko dyan kung ikaw ay App Store naman. And then, kung ikaw naman ay Google Play, ilalagay ko rin dyan yung link sa description para hindi ka na masyadong mahirapan pa. Okay? So, ito po yan, blockchain system implementation. Ito yung kaninang pinakita ko sa inyo. Alright? Nire-remind ko lang kayo guys, it's up to you. Again, walang pilitan kung gusto nyo lang. Okay? And by the way guys, kung gusto nyo ng additional details, you can pause this if you want to read. Ayan, may yung event 1, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Event 2, Event 3, of course, you can participate ito. Mas detailed ito. Event 4, andyan din. And Event 5, ayan. You can pause it. You can read it naman, guys, if you want. Wala naman pong pilitan. Again, gusto ko lang kayo inform na may mga ganitong klaseng event sa mga games na mga magaganda. Alright? So, yun lang muna. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa update natin, no? Gusto ko lang, again, mabilisan lang ito. Okay? Yun lang. Thank you so much sa time mo. Kung gusto mo updated ka palagi, huwag mo kalimutan i-like yan, pati i-hit mo na yung notification bell para lagi kang i-update kung may rewards, giveaway, at kung ano na pang usapang cryptocurrency. Yun lang muna. Maraming salamat po and God bless you.